Really focus on squeezing those glutes, not allowing your back to arch, sucking your belly button in. Great job. Starting position. Feet hip width apart, toes pointed forward. Squeeze your glutes and suck your belly button in. From this position, you're going to roll the cable, squeezing the shoulder blades back, pausing before extending back out. We'll perform a total of 15 reps this set. Ready? Let's go. Squeeze. Great job. Really focus on squeezing those glutes, not allowing your back to arch, sucking your belly button in. Great job. Squeeze. Focus. Take your time. Focus on your position. Focus on form. It's very important. Squeeze. Come on, work with me. Squeeze. Squeeze. Great job. Squeeze those glutes. Squeeze. 4 more. 4, 3, let's finish strong. 2, and last one. Squeeze. Great job.